Hi guys, I've just built myself a new XL and I've already installed everything with the Linux, the XenMod Linux, the Linux XenMod TT kernel. That's the correct order of the letters. So if we do Control T, this is another kernel, right? There are 5 XenMod kernels now. You test them out, you play with them. And what this is about is actually DUF. No, but with DUF we can actually see what it is about. I formatted the hard disk, virtual hard disk, in VirtualBox as btrfs, and we get all these partitions. All these lines, right? Partition, partition, and partition. Root, server, var cache, var log, var temp. And what I've added, so if you install inside Calamaris, you can choose between time shift and between btrfs, snapper, snaplist, and all those. You have now also on your in your choice, in your selection, you can actually btrfs, and if you launch btrfs assistant, you need to be sudo. Okay, no problem. But if you install btrfs-maintenance as well, you get an extra tab. That's the thing I wanted to share with you. So everything looks pretty much the same, but if you install btrfs-maintenance, let's see, sudo pacman -r btrfs, it's all in one word, not with a hyphen. So everything else is with a hyphen, not that one. So remember that. And that's the package you need to install with an S and not with an R, of course. And then this extra tab will be there to balance, scrub, and defrag. And I'll leave you to Google and to ArchWiki and see what balance, scrub, and defrag is. The guys of Garuda are the specialists. This is the app from Garuda, right? So if you're into btrfs, those guys have the knowledge, right? And have a look at their tutorials and articles and all that. That's it for me. Have fun with btrfs, with ArcoLinux, with Garuda, whatever your choice is. It's all good. You're on Linux. That's the main thing. Cheers.